guys, so we just made it to Chinatown in Thailand, and as you can see behind me, we're gonna walk through this area. We're gonna look for some street food, check out some of the street food here in this area, and then we'll also just look at some of the sites. So we're gonna head out and see what we can get. Get your Peking roasted duck.
One of the streets around Chinatown now, and it's a bit overwhelming. It's a lot to see, a lot to smell, a lot to hear. The hustle and bustle of people buying things to meet their locals and tourists. It's just starting to dry up and clear up. It was pouring earlier as I tried not to fall. And a lot of it reminds me of home, like China home. Because I see it almost at every table, and we ordered it and it just got here. This is what it looks like.
Alright, so we just got our noodles, and we actually just got our other one, she just brought it up for our rice. The reason it's called roll noodles is because you can see that the noodles are actually been rolled, like a bit of a roll to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. We got some pork in here, and we got some, it looks like crispy fried pork, so like almost two different types of pork. I'm just gonna give it a bite. It looks a bit hot, but try it. Oh, it's a bit like peppery, so there's a strong pepper flavor to it. Otherwise, it's really good. The pork is really nice, and the noodles are also very nice. But it's really the broth that brings out the flavor, almost like a peppery broth. Very good. And so we also got a rice with fried pork, so rice and fried pork. It looks like it has a pork sauce on top, so I'm just going to take a bite of it and see what it tastes like. That's really nice. So the crispiness of the skin really gives it a crunch, almost like you're eating a chip or something. So that's really nice, and then the pork underneath is really juicy. I'm on top of rice with the sauce. Really good. Yeah, this is a good call. Keep on. So we just finished eating those noodles. That was probably the crispiest pork skin I've ever tried. The noodles were really good and the rice was really good. As you can see behind me, it's still super packed. There's even people waiting to go inside. So we got lucky. We walked in and got a seat. And the whole meal was 180 baht for the 2 dishes and just 2 bottles of water. So it was a really good deal. And we're gonna keep going to see if we can find some more stuff to eat. Here we go. Alright, so like I said, we're still in the Chinatown area and we got some street food now. So we just walked up this corner and there's a couple people making stuff. And so we're trying, as you saw just a second ago, we got this, it's fish, and he put some kind of sauce on it. So as you can see, it's fried in the oil. It's still steaming hot. I'm probably gonna burn myself, but I'm gonna try it. So here we go. Yo, yo.
Car behind.
If I don't get run over. Well, it's very hot and has a very strong fish flavor. It's not bad, but it's not my cup of tea, as they say. Okay, but the fish flavor is too strong for me. I didn't really get enough of the sauce. So let me try one more with a bit more of the sauce. So you can see here, this one has more sauce on it, so I'm going to try this one. Oh, okay, yeah. It has, still very hot, but it has the chili sauce. So with the chili sauce on it, it's much better.
I smell the fish. They're a bit chewy, I'd say. The texture, the flavor is very fishy. Yeah, quite chewy actually. Not a bad flavor, like the chili sauce levels out the fish flavor a bit. Because on its own I would say the fish flavor is pretty strong. But with the sauce, it's quite alright. Just as you can see, I'm struggling to get it down because it's quite chewy. But the flavor in general is pretty good.
So as you guys can see, we got rained out, so we're not gonna eat any more street food here in Chinatown, but we're gonna move on to the flower market. We're gonna try and get our way, make our way over there, and then we'll see what's over there, and maybe we can get some more street food, maybe not, but we're going to continue in our rainy Bangkok adventure, so here we go.